Good morning, Pastor Phil here, and today we are talking about obedience, obeying God's commands. Sometimes when we say we need to obey something, that can feel harsh to us, but when we know it comes from God, God cares about us, He created us, He loves us. Everything He asks us to do is for us, for our safety, for our joy, for our protection. And so it's easy to obey God because He loves us. We're going to hear a great story about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego and how they obeyed even when it was hard. So watch the video, have a great group, and we'll be back with large group discussion in just a minute.